What's up, guys? Welcome. Got another method for you, the product research course. This one's fun. I've actually made a YouTube video about this, and it was a lot of people reacted really well to it. It's a pretty original idea. I think I'm just goofing off, and I found this. I'm going to give you some websites. You could literally go check for product ideas. So it's like looking for trends, looking for new product ideas, just like on sales websites. So let's get into that. Cool. So the first one we're going to do is Kickstarter. So you could actually go to Kickstarter.com. And now, for those of you who don't know what Kickstarter is, it's essentially you get to see what kind of products have a lot of interest because people literally donate money to it. Maybe I should put my Pay What You Want course on Kickstarter because people have pledged $150,000 for a freaking wearable charging cable, man, just to get that product made. So Kickstarter is a cool, really cool place to look for new product ideas. Now be careful with patents here because some of these could be patented. They could be copyright issues, but we could check all those things. So as long as you're doing your due diligence, it's all right. Percussion massager. We'll check it out. So it's literally just an idea right here. I just generally look through the homepage. Now you could actually go into sort by like newest. If you do that, you're gonna see a lot of new stuff. A lot of the times when I do that, it gets a little weird though, because Kickstarter is always getting new ideas on there. So I'll generally, like I said, just kind of keep it on popularity. And you could do categories, right? So you could go into maybe not technology, but I guess we could do technology, something like that. So you could go into crafts. Crafts would be a cool one to go into. Let me see. So wooden pens, mud face. I don't know what that is. Let's see. Okay, let's check out the thermal massaging thing. Go all categories again and kind of just look here. So wearable charging cable looks pretty good. We'll check out both of those. And now, I'm not going to check too many things here because I do want to show you some more sites. So we'll just check this one, percussion massager. Now it looks like it was a bigger product. Yeah, some of these are $150, which really you'd only have to sell 5 a day, 2, 3 a day. It's worth looking into. If you have a lower budget, it's probably not for you. But we do have people on here with 23 reviews doing 60,000. So that's not too bad, is it? There's assorted heads on there. Yeah, this looks a little competitive, right? But I would go and what I would do, now you may not have learned this yet because we haven't gone over differentiations and market analyzation. It'll be later in the course, but we're going over, kind of what to look for, how to know if something's too competitive versus it just being a lot of demand and you being able to actually, make a dent in that market. So that's the first one, Kickstarter.com. You could look through here, look for product ideas. Now, there will be a lesson in this course about how to look, make sure something's not patented. Make sure you do that. Google patents. There's a little bit of a leak of information there. That's what it is. Eco-friendly sanitizer for every day. Okay, so yeah, you could look at literally any one of these. So now, let's go to the next one. So we have Kickstarter open. The next one would be essentially the exact same style of website. It's a crowdfunding website, but it's a different one. So it's called Indiegogo. Cool. So let's start looking here. So a super small backpacking raft. So we could actually look that up. So maybe I'm thinking like inflatable backpack. Inflatable backpack kayak. That's kind of what we're looking for. Okay, so I see what they're doing. Like the reason that that's getting crowdfunded is because it doesn't really exist yet, right? So people are definitely interested in that because, you know, $25,000 has been spent on it. No one's even bought one yet. So definitely something pretty cool. Go to travel outdoors. Again, you select different. A foldable bike helmet. Very interesting. Created by SpaceX engineers. So we would go look. Does it exist? Now, a lot of these are crowdfunded because they don't exist, but there might be variations that do exist. For instance, that's a totally different product. We would pull up Jungle Scout on this and see if it's good. In this case, it is. Wow. Okay. I'm always shocked. Sometimes I'm just like, there's no way that's not going to be good. And some things surprise me. So yeah, this looks really good. I just keep finding good products throughout this course. So yeah, use these as examples. I like that one. That one was really good. So again, I'm going to let you guys experiment with these. This will be different by the time you look for it. Coffee brand is something I really want to get into. I really want to start a coffee-based brand. Selling coffee accessories, tumblers, coffee makers, maybe create my own coffee maker. Something that's always going to be around, something that people are crazy for, and you get repurchases, right? So like I have a Chemex right now. That's just a brand that was started not too long ago. Now I don't actually know if it wasn't started that too long. I think it's a new brand. So you buy the maker, it's a glass drip coffee maker, and then like every month I'm buying their filters. So it's like, bam, I'm a returning customer, man. I've already spent, several $100s on that. So that's Indiegogo, Kickstarter. Those are crowdfunding websites. Now, I'm about to show you something a little bit controversial right now. So when you use Jungle Scout and you do run a promotion for your product as a giveaway, this is where it shows up. So these are actually Amazon sellers' products here. So a little bit of a hack here. This one is, these are all Amazon products. So this is probably the best one. I don't need to explain this too much. Jumpsend.com. Look through here. You can actually sort by discount, sort by price. That's not going to do much for you. That's more for the customer. But guys, this is a great place to look. I don't want to spoil it. I'm going to let you have fun with this one. But yeah, make sure you go through here. I personally love this method. I love finding products that are already selling on Amazon. For instance, when I go to the storefront method, that was labeled my favorite product research method. I love just like seeing like, wow, the seller is successfully selling all these products. I could just pick one, make it better, and sell it. It's just such a simple business model. So yeah, hopefully you guys enjoyed this one. This was the Trend Site product research method. Well, you guys are enjoying the course so far. That's it for today. I will see you in the next one. See you in the next lesson. Later.